Hi, Kaylee. Here we go. Sorry, I'm late, you guys. My clock up here is wrong. Here they come. Okay. Hi, guys. We're just getting started. I'm sorry, my clock up here was wrong and said that it was just 12:30, but it was actually 12:40. I have to change that clock. Hey, good afternoon. Looks like I'm in the dark, doesn't it? All right. So today I'm actually not even the teacher. Emily is going to teach us something today. So if you want to, you can put M on your, if you look over on the picture of M and you click up at the top and it says pin, if you pin her video, she'll stay in the middle so you can see what she's doing better. And I'll keep admitting kids. How are you, Em? So just talk to us for a minute about what the project that we're doing today is.
So I have a couple examples, couple of my favorite examples. I'm gonna teach you how to make a pop-up animal. I'm going to teach you how to make the shark. And so when it looks like this, it looks like a shark, but when you open it, its mouth is open.
So cute. I've never seen that. So we're going to need a loose piece of paper, Em, a couple of loose pieces. Like my notebook, I need to take it out, right?
Yeah, you can use lined paper, you can use blank paper.
All right, so you guys make sure you have some paper, some colors, and a dark marker. All right, and you can unmute your screen so we can just talk like we're all in the same room during this one. Just if you're in a room that has a bunch of noise, try to mute your screen if it gets noisy or move into another room. So who is all here today? Let's see how many of us there are here. I'm going to put it on gallery for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Great. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Sorry, Ms. Laws was late. I had the wrong clock going on. Hey, Vi, welcome, everybody. You can unmute your screens unless you have a lot of noise in your house. My husband is sitting out on the deck by the creek doing his Zoom lessons with his college students. My husband teaches at the law school. So if any of your parents are lawyers and went to Lewis and Clark College's law school, they might know my husband. All right, and M is our teacher today. So if you want to be able to see her screen bigger, you can go to her screen and pin her video, and then she'll be the one in the center. She'll be the big one. So, all right, M, whenever you're ready, I think we're ready to start.
Okay, I'll start whenever we can. Okay, so does everybody have a piece of paper?
Everybody hold up your piece of paper, ready to go.
Okay, you're gonna fold the piece of paper in half.
Which way? Long ways?
So when it's up like a burger, you fold it like this.
Okay. Do you open it again, Em, or do you just close it?
You close it, and you can line it up, make it as lined up as you want. Okay. So when you have this,
so when everybody's got it folded in half, fold it up when you have it folded in half. Then we'll know you're ready. Couple more people. All right, and you can unmute if you want to chat. Momi, it's quiet at your house. You could unmute. That way you can talk and ask questions. All right.
Okay. So the next step is when it's like this,